Forest bathing is a common Japanese practice, originating in the 1980s. It emerges as a response to the stressful work-life balance. The method encourages people to immerse themselves in the natural world and engage with it using all their senses, intending to promote relaxation and inner peace. Mindfulness is at the core of forest bathing, which encourages people to slow down, be present, and connect with the environment. By doing so, individuals can improve their mood, combat symptoms of anxiety and depression, and feel more energized and alive. Forest bathing offers numerous of benefits, including reduced stress, enhanced immunity, improved mood, and increased energy. People can lower their stress hormones by spending time in nature, making them more resilient to illness. They can also recharge their battery and find tranquility during a busy life. Forest bathing is accessible to everyone, so take the time to explore the beauty and serenity of the natural world and experience the healing power of forest bathing.